Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hugo. I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to play the song "Never Leave" by Maverick City. Worship. This song is gonna be in the key of C, and this is gonna be a beginner tutorial. I'll go step by step on the verses and the chorus. So, to start off, you gotta know a couple chords. This is going to be in the key of C. I think original key is actually C sharp. So if you want to play in the original key, just put the capo on the first fret. But I'm going to be playing it in key of C. So yeah. So the song starts on the F chord. Okay. And it just switches between F and then C. Alright, so to play the F chord, you're gonna have to put your ring finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, pinky right below that on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, and then you're gonna play your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and your index finger is gonna be on the 2nd to last string on the 1st fret. Okay, and it should sound like that. Some people play their F chords like this. They bar the 1st fret, but I don't play it like that. I play it like this because I feel like this is much easier, so I highly recommend. It's easier to switch between the chords. Highly recommend it. Okay, then you're gonna switch to your C chord, which is your ring finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, middle finger, 2nd, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then your index is going to be that same position as your F chord on the 2nd to last string on the index, on the 1st fret. Should sound like that. Okay? And so you're going to just switch between F okay. I'll get into the strumming a little later, but that's going to be the chorus. It's going to go, I see the face of the Father, I feel the love in His eyes, and everything in my heart knows that I'm His joy and His prize. I feel the peace in His whisper, that His intentions are pure, and never have I felt more safe and secure. Okay, so that's the verse right there. Now we're gonna go into the chorus. You said that you would never leave. I know that you are here with me. You said that you would never leave, and I know that you are here with me. Okay, so for this chorus, it's gonna be your F chord, which we already went over, your C chord. You said that you would F, never, to your C, leave, and then you're gonna go to your A minor. So for your A minor, you're gonna keep your index on this 1st fret on the 2nd to last string. You want to keep it there. Okay, so when you transition, you want to keep your index there, and you just move these your middle finger. You're gonna move it. Actually, your middle finger, you're gonna leave it there as well. The only finger you're gonna move is gonna be your ring finger. So your ring finger is gonna move right below your middle finger. So you're gonna be index, 2nd to last string, your middle finger, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then your ring finger on the fourth string, 2nd fret. Okay. So both of these are going to be your 2nd fret, and then your index is going to be your 1st fret. Okay. Should sound like that. After you play that, you're going to go into your G chord, which the way I play my G chord is very simple. You only use 2 fingers, your ring finger and your pinky. So your ring finger, you're going to put it on your 3rd fret on the 1st string, and then you're going to put your pinky on that same fret on the last string. Okay, so it should be the first string and the last string, and you strum all of them, and that makes a G chord. Okay. So yeah, so you said that you would never leave, F, C, and then A minor, G. I know that you are, F, C, A minor, G. So the way you play it, you want to hold, you're going to play the F and C, you're going to play them closer together. So your first 2 chords, the space between them is much closer. And then your A minor and G as well. So it's going to be 2 and then 2. And you want to hold that G, you want to hold it longer, and you want to also hold the C longer. So okay, and you said that you would never leave, and I know that you are here with me. So yeah, so we're gonna go over the strumming now. I mean, after this it goes into the verse, but I will teach y'all the strumming. So, and the beginning of the song is pretty low, it's pretty calm, so you just can do single strums, which that should be fine for the very beginning. But once you get to the chorus, it kind of builds up intensity, so you want to kind of add that. So the strumming pattern is going to be, so it's down, up, down. Okay, down, up, that you're still on your F there, and then on the 2nd down you switch to your C chord. Okay, so down, up, C, and then A minor, down, up, G. Okay, so down, up, down. It's pretty straightforward. Down, up, down, and then another down right there, just to kind of hold that note. So down, up, that's when you switch to your C, and then you add an extra downstroke just to sustain that C chord, and then you want to do the so you add a little down up right before switching to your A minor. Okay, down up. That's to add a little intensity right before getting switching back to your A minor. So down, up, down, back. You're on your C right here, and then you go to your A minor, and then to your G. Okay, so down, up, switch, down, you switch to your C, and then you go down, up, and then you switch to your A minor, down, up, switch to your G, down. Okay, I hope that's making kind of sense. I know it's a little complicated, especially for beginners, but down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So I add a little extra stuff here and there. You can add that little hammer on with the F, which to do the hammer on, I would practice the song first. This is like extra if you want to learn it, but with your middle finger, you want to keep it up and then hammer it down. Okay. You could also do it with the A minor. I usually just do the F. And you can also hammer on the pinky on the 3rd fret 2nd string on your C chord. You can, you see that? So these are like little extra stuffs that you can add, just to add a little more, flavor to the song, so to say. And also, I don't know if you noticed, but I'm also I'm adding some mute to the strumming pattern. So that's a lot of extra stuff. You don't really need to play. As a beginner, I would really just recommend just practice the strumming down, up, down. Okay, down, up, down. And you said that you would never leave, and I know that you are here with. I know that you are here with me. Okay, and then so we're gonna go into the bridge now. For the bridge, so the bridge, same thing, same chord progression. Just the lyrics are different. Whether I come or go, heaven or hell below. F, C. You ain't going anywhere. A minor, you ain't going anywhere. To your G. Whether I come or go, heaven or hell below, you ain't going anywhere. You ain't going anywhere. Whether I come or go, heaven or hell below, you ain't going anywhere. 'Cause you ain't going anywhere. 'Cause you ain't going anywhere. 'Cause you ain't going anywhere. You ain't going anywhere. 'Cause you ain't going anywhere. You said that you would never. So the bridge starts off slow. You can start with single strumming, okay? And then probably by the second time they sing it, that strumming pattern I spoke to y'all about. Okay. And at the very end of the song, of the bridge, I'm sorry, you're gonna go, is you, hold on, how does it go? You ain't going anywhere, right? start downstrokes to add a little more intensity. You ain't going anywhere. You ain't going anywhere. You ain't going anywhere. So to add a little more intensity, you can also just up and down, up and down. That G on that last one. You said that you would, and then you're back into your chorus. And I know that you are here with me, 'cause you said that you would never leave, and I know that you are here with me. So after it dies down, go back to single strumming. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole song. I hope that you guys learned. If you needed to go back, you can go back and, you know, rewind, rewatch whatever parts you need to rewatch. But that's Never Leave by Maverick. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next one.